Alrighty, so next up on the bench we have a General Electric VG-7910. Let's see what's up with this one. Hasn't done this before. So let's go ahead and get this over here. Make all of the noise in the process. Let's see, where is this thing? Add to TV. TV. Play. Oh. Now what is happening here? Okay, so we get a stop message and the VCR just dies. Will it give me the tape back? Alright. Let's try that one more time. See if anything changes. Got a play message on the screen. Immediately stop. And this time the power didn't cut out. Okay. Eject message. Alright. New project.